Hello and welcome to the Ordinary Level Mathematics with your instructor Fateh Sasoli, and we'll be talking about tangents to circles today. If a circle and a straight line have one point of contact, then the line is called a tangent. Let's be looking at the properties of tangents. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length, which means A and P should be equal to B and P. The tangents subtend equal angles at the center, which means AOP. The angle AOP should be equal to angle BOP. The line joining the external point to the center of the circle bisects the angle between the tangents, which means that this angle APO and BPO are also equal. Plus, the point of contact at the circle always form a right angle. Now, let's look at some example questions to get you in shape. We have to find out the value of x in this question, which we know from the second property that the angle formed by the tangent are always equal at the center, which means 49 should be equal to this x. So the value of x is 49 degrees plus the lengths of these line segments or these tangents to the external point P is always same, which means line BP is equal to the line AP and y is 14 centimeters. For example number 2, we have to find out the value of x here and the value of y, which is the length of the tangent BP. This complete angle was 112 degrees, which means we'll have to divide it into two equal parts, which means this angle here is 56 and this angle here is a 56 degree angle. This point here was 90, this point here was 90. Now it's comparatively simpler. The angle sum of a triangle should come up to 180 degrees, which would mean 56 degrees plus 90 degrees plus the unknown, which is x here. So 180 is equals to 146 plus x, and in turn 180 which means x was a 34 degree angle. Since we have x, let's look for y. We'll have to use a bit of trigonometric ratios here, and we know that tangents, this angle being 56, tangent 56 will be equal to opposite over adjacent. This 10 centimeter line being the adjacent line to the 56 degree angle. Let's put in the values. Y over 10 centimeter. This 10 will go and multiply with whatever the value of tangent 56 was, and tangent 56 comes up to 1.48 when multiplied 14.8. So y was 14.8 centimeters. For example number 3, let's be again looking at x is the required angle and y here is the required angle. All these four angles are 90 degrees each, and this here too was a 90 degree angle, and this here too was a 90 degree angle. Again, looking at the angle properties of a triangle, the sum of any triangle should be equal to 180 degrees. So it's again 180 degrees is equals to 90 degrees plus 35 degrees plus y. So 180 degrees is equals to 125 degrees plus y, or it's 180 subtract 125 degrees, get y, which is y should be equal to 55 degrees. Since y was 55 degrees and this angle was also 55 degrees, x is simple now. X is, this complete angle was a 90 degree angle, so 90 degrees minus 55 degrees is equals to 35 degrees. There you go. Coming up next is our video on more practice questions from geometrical properties of circle, which will have a variety of angle properties, tangents, geometrical properties to them. Thank you for watching it. Please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and send us your queries on our WhatsApp number.